Hi, welcome to Innovatronics. That is our one of the project, that is a smart helmet. So in this project we have added two features, that is smart helmet and another is a drunken drive. So main objective of this project, if the person going to start the bike, he should wear the helmet. Otherwise he cannot able to drive the bike. Okay. And second thing is drunken drive option. We added drunken drive option also. Like if the person is drunk, the system will automatically identify, then switch off the bike engine. Okay. So this is our prototype. We can and one the main thing of this project, we can develop in our real time bike also. You just think this is prototype, we cannot able to implement on practical system. Don't think like that. We can implement in a real time bike also. Okay. If you want to if you want to know the real time implementation, just comment your requirement. I will upload next video in your real time concept. Okay. That's why I added another two lines here. Okay. I will explain the component detail here, what are the components we are using and how is the project working. All the detail I will explain in this video. So first I am going to explain the helmet part. This is your helmet part. This helmet having, actually we can develop in a project a real-time helmet also. For demo purpose only I used this helmet. You can easily understand what are the components we are using inside of the helmet. So that's why I added this type of helmet. So if you want to go implement in a real-time helmet, that also possible. Okay, fine. Actually main component of this project, this is RF transmitter and RF receiver. Okay, I will explain later how it working. So first I am going to explain the component detail. Okay, here we are using RF transmitter. This is 4-channel RF transmitter, and this is battery for giving the power to RF transmitter, as well as gas sensor. This gas sensor for detecting the if the person is drunk or drinking or not. Okay, this gas sensor will detect a drunk and drive option. So main thing of this project, this is a limit switch. Okay, this limit switch will identify the person wearing or not with that helmet. Okay, if the person wear the helmet properly, this switch automatically going to lock. You can see that now it is going to lock. If the person is removing the helmet, it will automatically going to open. You can see that lock, open, lock, open. Okay, this is the main concept. If the switch is locked, this data will automatically transmitted through RF transmitter, then the RF receiver will receive the signal. Okay, fine. Now I am going to explain the what are the component we are using inside of the bike system. Actually just imagine this is your bike system. This component we are going to install your real time bike. Okay, for prototyping, just imagine this is your bike. Okay, for one DC motor I added for bike option. Okay, so what are the component here we are using? This is RF receiver. Actually in your helmet part having RF transmitter, and this kit having RF receiver. This is also 4-channel receiver, and this is DC motor. For this DC motor act as a real time bike, and this is 2-channel relay, and here we are using one LCD display, and this is a Atmega 338 PCB. So PCB in the sense a printed circuit board. Actually this is our customized PCB. For an example, if you want to going to develop in your project in your own self, like Arduino, you are going to use Arduino Mega, that also possible. Here we are using Atmega 338 microcontroller. This is our customized PCB, and this is buzzer for indication the status. Okay, fine. And one more thing, this is here we are using 2-channel relay. So one channel for DC motor, switch on the DC motor, and another one relay for real time bike implementation. We can implement on real time bike also. That way I am again repeating. For an example, if you want to know the video real time how to implement in real time, just comment, I will upload the video. Okay, fine. So now I am going to switch on the system. And one more thing, here I am giving power to the bike manually in the sense I am giving the power to the adapter. For real time we can take the power in our bike battery also. Okay, so this is 12 volt DC supply. In our bike also having 12 volt DC supply power supply. That power supply, this system don't need much power. Okay, this is need 12 volt, minimum 500 milliamps only, which means this system does not damage your bike battery. Okay, I am surely tell you. Fine. And now I am going to show the practical demo. So before switch on the system, you should switch on your helmet. Okay, I am going to simply connect the battery. This is 9 volt battery. So if you connected battery properly, the system will automatically identify the power status. This LED will indicate power coming or not, and this is your gas sensor. This gas sensor also indicate the power status, if the power coming or not. Okay, so this is a gas sensor, and this is a limit switch also already I explained you. So for calibration, I am going to just okay, fine. Our system is ready. Okay, now helmet is ready. Then I'm going to switch on the power. You can see now system is ready. I'm going to zoom in. So smart helmet, it does display showing please wear your helmet. Okay, actually the person is not wearing helmet still now. Actually this helmet is open state. Okay, it's open state, that's why it's showing please wear your helmet. Okay, now I'm going to I'm going to just simply press this button. Okay, I pressed it. What happened? Happy journey. Then DC motor running. Okay, so this is the main concept. If I released the switch, what happened? It will give alarm for maximum 10 seconds. Okay, within 10 seconds we have to wear the helmet, otherwise the system automatically going to off the bike. So this is your bike. What happened? Within 10 seconds you should wear, otherwise the system will automatically going to switch off the bike. Okay, so again I'm going to show the demo. So again I'm going to just simply press it. What happened? Bike is running, happy journey. Okay, again I'm going to open it, which means unwearing. What happened? Engine goes to off 0. Okay, which means within 10 seconds I should wear. I again pressed it. What happened? Not bike stopped, because within 10 seconds we should wear the helmet, the bike will running. Okay, this concept clear. And now I'm going to show the drunken drive option. Okay, for drunken drive purpose I am just added my perfume, like alcohol content you have to give the sensor before the sensor. So this is our sensor. I'm going to just give the alcohol content. So wait a minute. So this is our perfume. So I'm just to give the sensor. Okay, what happened? You can see that all are drunken drive. Actually just I just to give the perfume inside of the sensor. What happened? All are drunken drive. If the drunken drive is detected, the system will automatically going to off the state. Okay, that is the main concept of this project. Okay, so thank you for watching. For further detail, for further implementation, you can contact our office address. Thank you.